Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Amreen Akhtar Tania, teacher of Milestone School and College, English Medium Junior Section, Sector 7. My dear students, how are you? Are you fine? Hope you all are very fine. Alhamdulillah, Miss is also fine. Today I am welcoming you all in my video class. Okay, today I will take your English class. So students, what we learn in our English class? Can you say? In our English class, we learn alphabets and phonic sounds, right? And we learn some objects name by each letter, right? So we already learned so many letters, right? We already learned the letters from A to I. So let's read out the letters from letter A to letter I, okay, with their phonic sounds and objects name.
Learning alphabets with phonic sounds and objects. This is the letter A. This is capital letter A. This is small letter A. A phonic sound is A. A for apple. A for ant. This is the letter B. This is capital letter B. This is small letter B. B phonic sound is ba. B for ball. B for balloon. This is the letter C. This is capital letter C. This is small letter C. C phonic sound is ka. C for cat. C for cake. This is the letter D. This is capital letter D. This is small letter D. D phonic sound is da. D for doll. D for dog. This is the letter E. This is capital letter E. This is small letter E. E phonic sound is A. E for elephant. E for egg. This is the letter F. This is capital letter F. This is small letter F. A phonic sound is F. F for flower. F for fire. This is the letter G. This is capital letter G. This is small letter G. G phonic sound is ga. G for goat. G for grapes. This is the letter H. This is capital letter H. This is small letter H. H phonic sound is ha. H for hat. H for horse. This is the letter I. This is capital letter I. This is small letter I. I phonic sound is E. I for ink. I for igloo.
Students, do you know someone is with me today? Do you want to see who is with me? Who is this? This is Mr. Turtle. This is Mr. Turtle. It is very short in size, right? See, Mr. Turtle's size is so short, right? Its size is so short. So, Mr. Turtle, how are you? I am not fine. Why you are not fine? I lost all my friends. Oh no, Mr. Turtle lost all his friends. Okay, don't be upset. I will help you to find your all the friends, okay? So students, we will help Mr. Turtle to find his friends, okay? He has lost his all the short friends. So he is searching his short friends. He is searching short letters. Okay, so we will help him to find out the short letters from the letter A to letter I. Students, look, this is the letter A. This is capital letter A and this is small letter A. So students, look where I have written small letter A. Okay, look, in our English copy there are 4 lines, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines and 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. So the letter which we write in the middle row, that means we start from second line and we go down and touch the third line. These are short letters, okay? The letters that we write in the middle row, that are short letters. So, I have written the letter A in the middle row, right? From second line I started, right? Then it finished in the third line. So, it's a short letter. It's a short letter. So, Mr. Turtle has got his first friend, right? This is letter A. This is short letter. It's a short letter. A is a short letter. Okay. Now, A, then which letter? After A, which letter will come? A, then B. A, then the letter B. So, now look here where I have written the small letter B. B starts from which line? Can you see? This is first line. B starts from first line. Then it goes down, touch the second line. Then it goes down also again and touch the third line. That means it starts from first line and finished in the third line. So, it's a tall letter. This is not a short letter, right? This is not a short letter. It's a tall letter. So, is it Turtle's friend? No, this is not Mr. Turtle's friend because Mr. Turtle's friends are short letters, right? Okay, so it will not be Mr. Turtle's friend. Okay, B, go away. Then B, then which letter will come? A, B, C. This is letter C. So look where I have written the letter C. C starts from first line. No, this is not started from first line. Then it starts from second line. Yes, it starts from second line. Then it goes down and touch the third line. That means it sits in the middle row. So it's a short letter. It's a short letter. C is a short letter. C is a short letter. Okay, so I will keep C here. Okay, we have got another friend of Mr. Turtle, right? I think Mr. Turtle will be happy, right? Okay, then C, then which letter? A, B, C, then D. This is letter D. So, students, D is a short letter, tall letter, or hanging letter? Which one? Where D sits? D starts from first line, then it finished in the third line, right? First, second, third line. That means D sits in two rows, first row and second row. So this is a tall letter. This is a tall letter. This is not Mr. Turtle's friend. Okay. D, then which letter? A, B, C, D, E. This is letter E. Where I have written the small letter E? See, it starts from first line. No, it starts from second line. Yes, it starts from second line. Then it goes down and touch the third line. It's a what? It's a short letter. It's a short letter. Okay. So, here is another short letter. This letter's name is E. Okay. Then E, then which letter, students? E, then letter F. E, then letter F. So, F is a short letter. Can you say where F sits? F starts from first line and it goes down, touch the second line, then goes down and touch the third line. So this is not a short letter, it's a tall letter. It's a tall letter. So this is not Mr. Turtle's friend. Okay, then F, then which letter? E, F, then G. Wow, look, G starts from second line. I think it will be Mr. Turtle's friend, right? Okay, let's check. G starts from second line, then it goes down, touch the third line. Oh no, it's going down again and touch the fourth line. So it's a hanging letter. It's a hanging letter. G is a hanging letter because hanging letter starts from second line and it finished in the fourth line. So this is not a short letter. G is a hanging letter. So this is not Mr. Turtle's friend. Okay, then G, then which letter, students? Can you say? G, then which letter? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then H. This is letter H. So H is a which letter? Short, tall or hanging. H starts from first line, then it goes down, touch the second line, then again it's going down and touch the third line. So it's a tall letter. It's a tall letter. This is also not a friend of Mr. Turtle, right? Okay. So after H, which letter? Can you say? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. H next, which letter has come? H next, I. This is letter I. So, I sits in the middle row. See, it starts from second line, then it goes down and touch the third line, right? So, it's a short letter. This is also a friend of Mr. Turtle, right? Here, Mr. Turtle has got some friends, right? A, C, E, I. A, C, E, I. These all are short letters. These all are short letters. Okay. So, A, C, E, I. These are short letters. These are Mr. Turtle's friends. So, Mr. Turtle, are you happy now? Yes, I am happy. Oh, Mr. Turtle is happy now because he has got his friends. Okay, Mr. Turtle, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, so students, now look at the board. What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is circle the short letters from letter A to I. That means we have to circle the short letters from A to I today, okay? So, at first I will show you how to write the letter A to I, okay? How can I write the letter A? Circle, then small standing stick. This is letter A. Then which letter? B. Standing stick. Then this is letter B. B then which letter? A, B, then C. Okay, A, B, C, then which letter? Then letter D. D will start from first line, right? Standing stick, then half circle. This is letter D. D then which letter? D then letter A, B, C, D, E. Sleeping stick in the middle row, right? Sleeping stick, then half circle. Like this way, we will write the letter E. A, B, C, D, E, then letter A. I will start from first line, right? Okay. At first, half circle. Then what? Standing stick. It will go down and touch the third line, right? Now, sleeping stick. This is letter G, F. This is letter F. F then which letter? F, G. Okay. How can I write G? At first, circle, then standing stick, then half circle. This is letter G. G then which letter? E, F, G, H. H will start from first line, then it will go down and touch the third line. Now half circle. This is letter H. H then which letter? H then letter I. Standing stick. Standing stick, then dot, right? Students, I have already written the letters from A to I. Now what we have to do? We have to circle the short letters from the letter A to I, right? So, how can we circle it? At first, we have to recognize the short letters. So, which letters are the short letters? We already know it, right? The letters which we write in the middle row from second line to third line. They are short letters, right? From second line to third line and in the middle row. Okay, the letter we write in the middle row from second line to third line. They are the short letters. Okay. So at first the letter A. A I have written in the middle row, right? From second line to third line. So it's a short letter. So I will circle it, right? So I will circle the letter A. Okay, A then which letter? B. B starts from first line and finished in the third line, right? So it's a short letter. No, this is not a short letter. It's a tall letter. So I will not circle this one. Then B then which letter? This is letter C. C sits in the middle row. I have started from second line and it finished in the third line, right? It finished within the third line. So it's a short letter. So I will circle the letter C. Okay, C then which letter? This is letter D. D starts from first line. D starts from first line. See, it goes down and touch second line and touch third line. So it's a tall letter. I will not circle this one. Then D then which letter? D then letter E. E sits in the middle row. See, it starts from second line and it goes down and touch third line. So it's a short letter. So I will circle the letter E. Okay, E then which letter? E then look F. F starts from first line, right? F starts from first line, then it goes down and touch the third line. So it's a what? It's a tall letter. I will not circle this one also. Then F, then letter G. G starts from second line and it goes down, touch the third line, but it is going down again and touch the fourth line also. So it's a hanging letter. It's a hanging letter. So I will not circle this one. G then letter H. H starts from first line. See, and it is going down and what? Touch the which line? First, second, third line. So it's a tall letter. It's a tall letter. So will I circle this one? No, I will not circle this one. Then which letter? H. Then I. I starts from second line and it finishes in the what? This is third line. That means it sits in the middle row. So it's a what? It's a short letter. So I will circle the letter I. So students, are you clear? Which letter we have to circle here? We have to circle the short letters. So which letter I have circled here? A, C, E, I. A, C, E, I. Students, are you clear about today's topic? I think you all can do it now, right? So no more today. Take care. Bye-bye.